The FOXWELL NT809TS OBD2 Scanner is an advanced diagnostic tool that supports over 30 maintenance services, making it a comprehensive solution for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. This device excels in providing complete TPMS services, including sensor activation, programming, and health checks, ensuring your tires are always in optimal condition. It also offers bi-directional control, allowing users to perform specific tests and diagnose issues accurately without relying on vehicle controls. The FOXWELL NT809TS supports a wide range of vehicles, including OBD cars from various manufacturers, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. With its user-friendly interface and Bluetooth connectivity, this scanner allows for remote diagnostics and easy sharing of diagnostic results via email. Additionally, it includes a 3-year update package and lifetime technical support, ensuring that your investment remains valuable and up to date.